Hey people, how are we doing today? Today is Sunday, February 26th. It is almost the end of the month. Where's this month gone to? How could it disappear so quickly? Is this the way the whole year is going to go? Makes me wonder. Anyway, it's time for a new video. And today, I'll be trying Oreo eggs from our neighbors up north in Canada. Now, I can't tell whether or not these are exactly the same thing as the Oreo Cadbury eggs, but I'm betting that they are very, very similar, if not in name. I can't wait to try these. And, of course, I have Ferrara chocolate. Milk chocolate strawberry. Kind of like the orange ball that I tried. Hopefully, this will be just as good. So, let's get to it. And first, we open the pack. Don't you just love childproof packaging? And, well, the packaging looks the same. Let's see. Pull apart. Pull apart. Oh! Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And I got a little hat. Oh, that is definitely on the beautiful side. Now, let's see if I can split this open. Oh, I can. Oh, check that out. Is that not beautiful? That is absolutely. Well, let's see what it tastes like. Mmm. 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 Chocolate. Smooth. Creamy. I believe Cadbury chocolate. And the cream filling tastes just like the cream filling you find in an Oreo cookie. And there's little cookie bits. So I'm going to think, just a lot more of it. A lot more of it. So I'm thinking this is the Cadbury eggs that are Oreo. And with that note, I will say, I will have to give it at least a 9.95 out of 10. It'd be a 10 if they made it here in the United States. But other than that, it's okay. It's great. It's fabulous. Now, it's time for this one right here. And if you'll remember, they come in these little plastic containers that look so cool. And the only way to get into it is to break it. It's for the violent people. If you're violent, you will love these. Because you really have to get at it. And as always, you have it right there. And they segment apart. Oh my. Chocolate, strawberry. And it looks like the orange. Well, let's try it. Mmm. 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 A very nice chocolate flavor. And has a very subtle hint of strawberry. It has almost an artificial taste of strawberry. But it's fairly good. It's very good. But I'm afraid to say that it's not a 10 out of 10 kind of good. This one is a 7 or 7.5 out of 10. It has too much of an artificial flavor. With that being said, I will tell you now that you can give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I hope you did like this video. And if it's your first time here, please subscribe if you like what you've seen, because there will be more of this later on. If you have any questions or comments, I welcome them. I welcome all questions, all comments. I read each one, and I will respond. You can put them in the comment section below. And, okay, if you want to, you can share this video with your friends. Let them enjoy it, and possibly they will subscribe too. And as always, if you want to, you can follow me on Facebook, on Twitter, and on Snapchat. And if you really feel like it, you can write me a letter. But just make sure you include a self-addressed stamped envelope. Send it to Kenny Davenport at P.O. Box 198, Crossville, Tennessee 38557. Well, that's it for today. There will be a special video going up on Tuesday, as it is my birthday, and I intend to do something really spectacular, something really great and grand. Well, maybe not great and grand, but it's going to be grand for me. And until then, I will tell you all, have a great day, have a great night, and enjoy your life, and be calm, and carry on. Bye.